Name: 1801 Draped Bust Silver Dollar. Country: United States of America. Denomination: $1, $1. Year of minting: 1801. Mint: Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, as was typical for early coins. Designer: Robert Scott. Composition: 89.24% silver, 10.76% copper. Weight: 26.96 grams. Diameter: 39 to 40 millimeters. Edge: leaded. 100 cents $1 or unit. Mintage: approximately 54,454 coins. Obverse legend: Liberty. Reverse legend: United States of America. Air obverse: front. Design details. Main image: the obverse features the draped bust of Lady Liberty, facing right. The design was created by Robert Scott, the first chief engraver of the U.S. Mint. Liberty portrait: Liberty is shown with flowing hair tied with a ribbon, and a draped bust, symbolizing freedom, grace, and classical beauty inspired by 18th century neoclassical art. Inscriptions: the word Liberty appears at the top. The date 1801 appears at the bottom. 13 6-point stars encircle Liberty, representing the original 13 American colonies. 7 stars on the left side. 6 stars on the right side. Border: denticles, small tooth-like engravings, encircle the edge. A common feature in early U.S. coins to deter clipping, trimming off small amounts of precious metal. Air reverse: back, design details. Main design: the reverse features a heraldic eagle, a symbol of the United States government, inspired by the Great Seal of the United States. This heraldic eagle design replaced the earlier small eagle. Type in 1798. Eagle description: the eagle has a shield on its chest representing defense and unity. In its right talon, it holds an olive branch, symbolizing peace. In its left talon, it holds a bundle of arrows, symbolizing readiness for war. A banner above the eagle reads, E pluribus unum, expressing the unity of the states. Above the eagle, a cluster of clouds and 13 stars form an arcade above the eagle's head, again symbolizing the original 13 colonies. The stars are arranged in a pattern that was carefully designed to mirror the national emblem.